So yesterday we started finding evidence for our informational essay writing. And I want to remind you that we are preparing for an informational essay that we're going to write using compare and contrast. So today we are going to be able to write an informational essay using text structure. Remember, informational text is organized in 5 different ways. Some authors use cause and effect, some use problem and solution, some use sequence, some use description, and some use compare and contrast. Today, we are the author, and anytime we're writing, we are the author. So I'm the author today, and I am going to choose to write compare and contrast. When I write a compare and contrast essay, I use 4 paragraphs. Remember that we can use a double T chart to help us organize our information. On one side, we'll put information about how this is different from this, and then how they're similar is in the middle. So for our recipe for this, we can use handout 16B. Go ahead and flip to 16B. We need to switch it up a little bit, but they want us to be able to see clearly. So let's take a look at this for a second. We're going to change some words, so follow along with me. This is going to be a compare and contrast essay, not just a paragraph. We're going to write a whole essay. This first box is going to be our first paragraph. This is going to be our second paragraph, our third paragraph, and our fourth paragraph. This is going to be our topic paragraph. It is going to make a point about the land significance and an opposite point about the land significance for the U.S. government. So our first paragraph is going to have our main idea. This is called our roadmap, or our 2 points put together. We're going to make 2 points. Oops, I put road trip. Road map. It tells the reader where we're going. And then we're going to restate our main idea. So on our notes, our first paragraph, we're going to have our main idea, roadmap, main idea. That's our topic paragraph. Our second paragraph states our first point. So we put our first point there. So this is going to have our first point. We're going to have a topic sentence that states our first point. We're going to have evidence. We're going to have elaboration, and we're going to have a concluding sentence. So we're going to state our point 1, evidence, elaboration, and point 1 again. Pretty easy. Our next paragraph is going to be our second point. So we're going to have a topic sentence, we're going to have evidence, elaboration, and a concluding sentence. So point 2, evidence, elaboration, and point 2. Then lastly, we should be able to figure this out because we know our first and last paragraphs are similar. This is going to once again restate our main idea. We're going to restate our roadmap, and we're going to restate our main idea again. Point 1 is going to be how they're different. Point 2 is going to be how they're similar. So let's think about our essay. Remember, our essay prompt is to compare and contrast the significance of the Nez Perce homeland to the Nez Perce and the U.S. government. So if we were going to plan, we would have the Nez Perce on one side and the U.S. government on the other, and in the middle, we would have both. So what did the Nez Perce want the land for? The land was significant to the Nez Perce because they had a close connection to the land. The U.S., the land was significant to the U.S. because they valued wealth. So what was the same? Both wanted the Nez Perce homeland.